This neurological force within our brain is something that you have to use every single day, which is why it's so powerful, and which is why, without you realizing, it's actually been steering your life in the wrong way. Think about, for example, if I told you to notice how many blue cars you see tomorrow. Blue cars aren't common. They're not uncommon, but they're not very common. They're not like a white, black, red car. It's a fairly uncommon car. But if you actually thought about that tomorrow, you would see so many blue cars. And it's not because Honda, Toyota, and all these other companies decided that they're gonna produce more cars. It's because you were looking for it, and so your brain had a bias to that type of car. The issue is not necessarily that your brain has biases, because it does. It's that you have trained your brain by nature or by nurturing it that it should have a negative bias. And what I've learned is that if you want to rewire your lizard brain to be able to do the things you want to do in life and be productive and be courageous and be able to talk to anyone, you have to do the exact opposite. If you want to build a good routine, you can't pay attention to every time you fail that routine, but every time you succeed. If you're trying to build new habits, you can't pay attention to every habit you weren't consistent on, but you have to pay attention, nurture, and water the one habit that was consistent, right? And then the last thing keeping you trapped to this mindset is the fact that you keep trying to do and change things in your life without treating yourself like an experiment, without going into it like a science.